Hi everyone, my name is Lois and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this really fun fortune teller. So let's get started. So the first thing that you'll need is a white square piece of paper. And the first step you're going to do is you're going to fold the paper in half. You want to make sure that the creases are very nice and tight. So once you have it folded in half, you want to fold it in half again, like so. Once you have it folded twice, you want to open the paper back up. You want to take each corner and you want to put the corner and you want to put it in the middle. And you're going to do this for all four corners. Once you have all four corners placed in the middle, you want to flip your piece of paper over. Next, what you want to do is you want to fold your piece of paper in half. Then what you want to do is you want to fold it in half one more time. Finally, when you fold it in half, you want to pull the pieces back out again. But you want to make sure that this is still together. Then on the flipped side, you want to do the same thing you did on the other side. And you want to put the corners into the middle of the paper. Once you have all four corners placed in the middle, you want to fold it in half so that you have two squares on this side and two squares on that side. Once you have the two squares on each side of the fortune teller, this part is a little bit tricky, but you're going to put your thumb and your pointer finger on each side of the little pocket, inside the pockets. And you're going to want to fidget with it a little bit so that it'll turn out to be like this. You can color in your fortune teller with these really fun colors. When you open up the inside, you want to write down little numbers in each of the triangles. You don't want to make your numbers too high because that's how many times you are going to go back and forth with the fortune teller. And then finally, the last step is when you open up the little flaps in the middle, you want to write little messages. When someone chooses 4 or 5, you want to write a little message. So this one says, "You will have good luck today." And that will be a nice way to make someone's day. Let's try it out. Pick a color.
Yellow.
Y-E-L-L-O-W. Pick a number.
3.
1, 2, 3. Pick one more number.
2.
1, 2. Pick one last number.
8.
Your fortune is you will find a lost treasure.
Wow, thanks, Lolo.